up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're installing a new chain spoiler on the car. It's actually the Cervinis C-Series chain spoiler. So that's what we're going to do today. Alright, so let's get started. So this is the front chain that the car currently has. It's not too bad, but compared to the Cervini chain spoiler, I think the Cervini is going to look a lot more aggressive than it is. I do have other surprises for the car. I have other things coming, so you guys will see why I want the Cervini chain spoiler on. There it is, the Cervini's chain spoiler. Way more aggressive than the one I have. Way thicker, bigger. Yes, it's a lot bigger, so it feels way better than the one it has on currently. A lot thicker too. Alright, so let's get it on. Alright guys, so there it is. The front chain is complete. Looks very nice. Alright guys, so that'll be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Hey, thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much for